Shiny!
Hello, dear friends! Today, let's play with a vehicle puzzle. Huh? What's this? Oh no! A whooshy cloud blew all our vehicles away. Friends, let's find them together.
Help! Help! My house is on fire!
Don't worry, Granny Pig. Our firefighter is on the way.
Granny Pig, don't worry. We're here to put out the fire.
Thank you so much for helping me stop the big fire.
You're welcome, Granny Pig. That's our job.
Hey, friends, look! It's a puzzle piece. Fire truck! Where does it go? Yes, found it! Fire trucks zoom through the streets with loud sirens and flashing lights, so everyone knows to make way. They carry long ladders, big hoses, and brave firefighters ready to splash water and save the day. Look, the yellow truck is backing up. It's dumping the sand. Whoosh! Down comes the sand. Do you know what vehicle it is? Yes, it's a dump truck. You got it. Dump trucks are super strong vehicles made to carry heavy loads like sand, rocks, and dirt from one place to another. They have a special back part that can lift up and tip over, so everything slides out quickly, like a giant sliding tray. Wow! This vehicle has a long arm with a bucket that scoops up sand. That's so cool! What vehicle is this? Look, it turned into a puzzle piece! It's an excavator! Great job! Can you find its spot? Yay! Here it is! Excavators are strong digging machines that move soil, rocks, and dirt. They have a long arm with a bucket that scoops up heavy loads and can spin all the way around like a giant robot digging in every direction. Before the taxi can pick up passengers, it needs to refuel. Let's choose the fuel and start filling up. All full. Let's put the fuel nozzle back. Now the taxi is ready to go. Look, Mommy Pig wants to go to the supermarket. She calls the taxi. Supermarket, please.
Thank you, taxi.
Great job. Taxi. Now, let's find the taxi spot on the puzzle board. Yes, we did it! Taxis are handy cars that help people travel quickly from one place to another. They usually have a bright sign on top so people can easily spot them, and a meter inside that shows how much the ride costs. Peppa is going to school. She is waiting for the school bus. The school bus arrives. Hurry up and get on. Let's go. Yay! We've arrived at school.
Thank you, school bus!
School bus. Aha! We found its spot. School buses are big, bright yellow vehicles that carry children safely to and from school. They have lots of seats and a special stop sign that pops out to keep everyone safe when kids get on and off. Friends, let's do the puzzle together. This piece. Yes, it's right. Oh, we need to rotate it. Perfect. This one goes here. This is a life ring. Let's place it here. Next, let's put in the window pieces. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, it can't fit. Yes, now it fits perfectly. Yay! Here's our reward. A ship. Oh, here it is. Perfect. Ships are huge vehicles that travel across oceans carrying people and cargo. They float on water and can sail for many days and nights, like giant moving houses exploring the sea. Look, here's a rocket. There's something inside. Let's see what it is. Wow, it's a monkey! A brave monkey named Abel traveled high above Earth in a rocket and came back safely, like a tiny astronaut. Thank you, astronaut monkey. Now the rocket is ready to blast off. 3, 2, 1, liftoff! Yay! It turned into a puzzle piece. Rocket. Yep, let's place the rocket right here. Rockets are powerful vehicles that blast into space using giant engines and fiery fuel. They zoom high above Earth to carry astronauts, satellites, and supplies, like giant flying arrows racing toward the stars. Oh no, these vehicles got lost. Can you help place them in the right spots? This is an ambulance. It should go to the hospital. This is a cement truck. Does it go to the police station? No, that's not right. The construction site? Yes, you got it! This is a fire truck. It belongs at the fire station. This is a train. It should go on the train tracks. This is a police car. It goes to the police station. This is a box truck. It should stop at the post office. Yay! We got 2 vehicle puzzle pieces. Train. 1, 2. Trains are long, powerful vehicles that run on tracks and carry people or goods from place to place. They can connect cities and travel far distances smoothly, like a giant metal snake sliding along the rails. Box truck. Should we place it here? Uh-oh, wrong. Here's the right spot. Box trucks are strong vehicles with a big closed box at the back for carrying goods. They help move furniture, packages, and supplies safely from one place to another, like a rolling storage room on wheels. Friends, let's complete this puzzle together. This orange piece. Oh, found it! Perfect! That's right! Oh, this blue one must be the wheel! Let's do the other side too. Great job! This one, should I put it here? Uh-oh, that's not right. How about here? It doesn't fit. Aha! Let's rotate it. Now it fits. This one goes here. And the last piece goes here. Yay! Done! Look! The missing puzzle piece! Motorcycle! Motorcycles are small, fast vehicles with 2 wheels that people ride to travel quickly on roads. They can weave through traffic easily and feel like a speedy ride on a metal horse. Which one should we open? Okay, let's choose the yellow one. Wow, it's a sailboat. Next, let's open the blue one. It's an airplane. What's inside this green cone? It's a pickup truck. So cool. Let's put it in the last spot. Pickup trucks are strong vehicles with an open back called a truck bed for carrying heavy things. They can haul tools, furniture, and supplies, like a hardworking helper on wheels. Hooray, friends! We found all the missing vehicles! That was so much fun! You did an amazing job today. If you want to watch more fun learning videos like this, remember to ask your parents to subscribe! Okay, see you in the next one. Bye!